The first step before we begin coding is to set up our main.py file. Now, how do we do this? There's two ways to go about it. The first way is you can simply go to your search panel at the bottom left and search for idle E. And you will see here that there is a list of Python versions. If you have different Pythons within your system, simply choose 3.12 or earlier versions, as any other version of Python might not be compatible with Kivy. Once you've selected, just simply open it, and then you will see the IDLE shell. Once you see the IDLE shell, you can then go to File and New File. That new file, you can then save it as main.py. So that's where we will write our code, and that is where we're going to run our code as well. Now, the other option is to simply navigate to the folder where you will be coding from and right click and then press new and then create a new text document. Now, this is weird, but don't worry. Listen for a while. So what you're going to do is you're going to rename the text document to main.py. Very important, you must change the extension to .py. And then there you go. You have your main.py. It is set up, it is ready. Now we can begin coding. Now, how do you open a main.py file? Simply right click and then you can choose this option which says edit with IDLE and choose the correct version.